Oh, look at all my tiny children. Oh, that's pretty good already.
Some of these are literally like weapons.
Oh god, that smells like ass. It actually looks a bit like a giant croissant. I'm regretting this already. Alright, as you can see here, I have lots of shallots. And yes, I say shallots. I know Americans say shallots. And I've met my match. The first hurdle, peeling a goddamn shallot. If I have to be bleeped a lot, I'm sorry. I can only apologize and say I'm Australian. It happens. Oh. Are you kidding? That was 3. I'm still chopping. Ugh. Putting fish in something I'm gonna eat. Oh god, that smells like ass. Scotchy bits, scotchy bits. I just went to my bedroom at the other end of the house and it smells like anchovies up there as well. This took me way too long. Honestly, I give myself 3 days before I'm just like, toast for dinner. This one took off on TikTok and went around quite a bit and then made it onto Twitter, where somebody finally credited the original recipe writer, who is the amazing KENJI LÓPEZ-ALT from Serious Eats. He's got this really science-based approach to cooking. He's got an amazing cookbook called The Food Lab. Highly recommend. Hey, I'm doing it, Ma! I'm doing it! Are we seeing pasty chunks here, people? I think we are. It is important to keep your potatoes far away from each other. There you go. Yep, I touched the pan. Just a little bit of kitchen first aid. If things go south here, then maybe we should keep a few for the catapult. Like, look at this guy. That guy's... Oh man, though. Look. Even if all the texture and crispiness stuff doesn't really work out, I will still be happy because I will have potatoes covered in delicious rosemary and garlic. There we go, and we've got the noise. The technique absolutely works. This is crispy. So, night 3. Now tonight's recipe is instant pot butter chicken. Anyway, when a recipe has this many fans, it's probably going to be worth it. It's by a home cook called URVASHI PITRE, and she posted this on an Instant Pot Facebook group and it absolutely blew up. Making my own garam masala tonight, which I've also never done. This also means that I will be potting cardamom seeds for the first time, which feels like it's going to be really fiddly. So let's see how I go with that. Please show this to your aunties and laugh. It smells amazing. My entire kitchen smells good. This is so much better than anchovy night already. Buttload of cilantro. Oh my god, no, coriander. I'm getting Americanized by all these recipes. Gonna have some naan bread and cucumber. Naan bread. Sorry. Going to have some naan and cucumber with it. It's pretty good. Oh. Tonight I am making rom-don from Parasite. It's a different kind of viral recipe. It didn't go viral specifically because everyone was like, oh my god, you've got to try this, it's so good. It went viral because a lot of people saw Parasite. I am not using a recipe because it's literally instant noodles with beef in it. This is the cutest noodle flavouring I've ever seen in my life. So there we have it. Rom-don, slightly adjusted to make use of nice beef a little bit more responsibly. Really delicious. I'm not getting too much seafood in it at all. And yeah, the steak definitely takes it up a notch. It's pancake time. Apart from the coffee that we won't be mentioning, it is the most viral recipe. My lumps. Don't want no pancake lumps. I've just realized I have no idea how I'm going to get this in here. I do not own a funnel. It's going to be really messy. Could be worse. That's the only spillage. Oh my God, these are all better looking than any actual full-size pancakes I've ever made in my life. Whoop. Ow. I didn't drop a single one! Did you see that? Oh my God! I'm starving. I've earned my breakfast. Big buttery chunk. It's pretty tasty. And of course it is. It's just pancakes, but smaller. So as you can see, this is a pretty dry chicken. In her article about it, after it went viral, Helen Rosner goes to great pains to go into the history of chefs who use this technique, like all kinds of different techniques to dry out chicken skins. She is a moist lady. Okay, I feel like this is as dry as it's going to get. Hello. God, there's something really ghoulish about preparing a whole chicken. Let's see how she goes. Damn if that isn't pretty. All this patting down with paper towels. Nah, it's over, it's cancelled. Hair dryers, nothing but hair dryers from here on out. This is my because there is no need for me to do sourdough. I hate myself for that joke, don't worry, I do, I really do. For this one, all you need to do is make the dough the evening before, which is what I'm doing now. So hopefully by mid-afternoon tomorrow, I will be able to bake some bread. Alexa, what's an American teaspoon in grams?
7 grams converts to exactly 1.40000000000000000001 teaspoons.
There's my baby. 18 hours. Bubbly, delicious bread dough. I hope. So here she is. Look at that. But that's still a fair bit of bread. It said it'll look like a mess. Look, it's not the prettiest in the world, but I definitely think it's bread. Oh dear. Ooh, it's gummy. I think it's still gonna taste good with butter on it, because what doesn't? Okay. It does what bread does, and I'm not mad at it. 7 nights, 7 viral recipes. God, I want a pizza. I'm done.